Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockwall County in north central Texas, Western Hunt County in north central Texas, Kaufman County in north central Texas, Eastern Denton County in north central Texas, Collin County in north central Texas, Dallas County in north central Texas, until 6:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:25 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Pilot Point to Carrollton to Cedar Hill, moving east at 60 miles per hour. This storm is currently producing widespread wind gusts of 60 to 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near McKinney, University Park, Cedar Hill, Duncanville, Irving, Hebron, Dallas, Plano, Red Oak, and Carrollton around 5:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Hutchins, Mesquite, Parker, Allen, Garland, Fairview, and Wilmer around 5:35 a.m. Central Standard Time. Sunnyvale, Ferris, Anna, Rowlett, Bulk Springs, Murphy, Satch C, Wiley, Lucas, and Melissa around 5:40 a.m. Central Standard Time. Princeton, Lowry Crossing, Heath, Rockwall, Seagoville, and combined around 5:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. Fett, Farmersville, Mobile City, Forney, and Crandall around 5:50 a.m. Central Standard Time. Talty and Royce City around 5:55 a.m. Central Standard Time. Merritt, Caddo Mills, Terrell, and Kaufman around 6 a.m. Central Standard Time.